Meet Coach Robin Masters, one of the world's most sought-after motivational strategists. From humble beginnings, he rose to inspire millions through his books, live events, and personal coaching. His philosophy is simple. Transformation begins with small, consistent steps that build into lasting change. Now, with SoCo, you don't just hear from Robin Masters, you connect with him directly. Let's take a look.
Hey, it's great to finally meet you. Tell me, what's your dream right now?
I've always wanted to write songs, but I've never known how to begin.
That's fantastic. Don't wait for permission. Start today. Write one line a day, and I'll help you turn it into something bigger.
Hearing that from you really motivates me.
This isn't a video clip, this is a real conversation. And SoCo remembers, so every interaction builds on the last.
Last time we talked, you said you were starting songs. How's that going?
I actually wrote a chorus. I never thought I could.
That's incredible! Between our chats, I pulled a few beginner songwriting tips for you. Want me to share them now?
You actually remembered? This is amazing.
This is more than social media. This is a new wave of connection. This is social connection. This is SoCo.